Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A trolley that moves along a horizontal beam is acted upon by two forces as shown. These are the two forces. This is A and this is 1600 Newton. These two forces are acting on this trolley, on this point A. Knowing that alpha equals 25 degree. This angle alpha, this is 25 degree. Determine by trigonometry. The magnitude of the force P. What is the value of this force P? You have to find it out so that the resultant force exerted on the trolley is vertical. These two forces, 1600 Newton and P, there will be a resultant force of these two, and this is acting vertically. What is the corresponding magnitude of the resultant? What is the value or the magnitude of this resultant force? We can draw a parallelogram here. Just draw a parallelogram. And now if this force is P, so this will also be P, and this is 1600 Newton, and this line it will be resultant R. So if we draw this free body diagram here, so this is 1600 Newton, so this is 1600 Newton, this is resultant force R, so this is resultant force R, this is the force P, this is the force P, this is the force P. Okay, and this is alpha acting with the horizontal line, which is 15 degree. This is 15 degree, and this angle is 25 degree, which because this alpha is 25 degree, so this will also be 25 degree. So this is 25 degree. And if this is, let's say, let's zoom it here. This is, let's say this is 15 degree, but total angle is 90 degree. So this will be 90 minus 15, which is 75 degree. So this is 75 degree. Now apply the law of sine here. So now this is 1600 Newton. So 1600 divided by sine of the opposite angle. The opposite angle is 75 degree. So sine 75 degree equals R. Let's take R divided by sine of the opposite angle. What is the opposite angle? Beta. So sine beta equals, let's take 1600 Newton. So 16. No, we did a mistake here. This is 1600 Newton. So the opposite of this angle is 25 degree. So this is 25 degree, and this is the force P. So P divided by opposite of P is sine 75 degree. To find the force P, we have to take this term and this term. So 1600 divided by sine 25 degree equals P sine 75 degree. So you know the value of 1600 sine 25 degree sine 75 degree. So we will find the force P equals 3660 Newton. And now we don't know the value of beta, but we know this is 25 degrees, so 25 plus 75 plus beta, which adds up to 180 degrees. So beta will be 80 degree. Now take this term and you will find the value of R is 3730 Newton.